Hi, welcome to Naresh Technologies. In this session, we are going to discuss a reverse for loop. Basically, for loop is a part of control structure in PLSQL, and any kind of loop, it is basically used to iterate to iterate the group of statements for a required number of times. So, for loop and reverse for loop. For loop basically gives you, the output in an ascending order, and reverse for loop is basically used to get the output in a reverse or descending order. So, how it works we shall see. First of all, here is an example of for loop. For loop basically means what? It has a for variable in range loop. 5 different elements are there in the for loop. They are for variable in range loop. So, when you declare a range, the range can be any smaller number to any bigger number. So, when I run this program, I will get the output as 1 to 10 because the range that I have given is 1 to 10 in the for loop, right. Now, this is a regular for loop. Now, going forward, if you want to go for a reverse for loop, then instead of for variable in range loop, all you need to do is you only need to add one more keyword here, that is for variable in reverse range loop. So, here you have to use the keyword reverse. By using this keyword, you can get the reverse range. I will run this program and you could see the output. Now, the output is 10 to 1. So, learning point is that for a regular for loop, you have got for variable in range loop. On the other hand, for reverse for loop, you have for variable in reverse range loop. So, this is how you can use reverse for loop. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more such videos, please visit Naresh Technologies. Thank you.